In this video, I will tell you the causes of papaya black and brown spots disease and how to prevent and treat these spots. The most common cause of black and brown spots is due to various fungal infections. The trees are worst affected in rain, high humidity, poor air circulation, and overcrowded plants. The disease starts with small, dark and slightly sunken spots on fruits and leaves. The black spots you see on these papayas and leaves started as very small spots about 3 weeks ago, but now they have grown and noticeable. If I allow the fruit on the tree, the spots will grow in size as the fruits ripen. On the other hand, if I pick the fruit now, the fungus will continue to spread on the fruit, making spots bigger, resulting in fruit rot, and the fruit becomes inedible. Later in the video, I will show you how to treat the infected fruit to prevent the spread of disease so that the fruit remains edible after ripening. Here are my top tips for significantly reducing the risk of the papaya tree diseases. 1. Improve air circulation. Ensure good airflow around the tree. Do not plant trees too close to each other. Plant trees 5 to 7 feet apart to improve air circulation and reduce humidity around trees. This will prevent fungal disease and its spread. 2. Improve nutrition. A healthy tree can effectively fight diseases. Before planting the tree, add manure, balanced fertilizer, some potash and bone and fish powder in soil to make the soil nutrition rich. Feed monthly with poultry manure and fertilizer high in potassium and magnesium like Epsom salt to boost resistance. Water with seaweed before cool weather to strengthen plants. Fungicides. Spray copper fungicide, baking soda or neem oil every 2 weeks during wet weather to prevent fungal growth. Neem oil spray acts as both a fungicide and pesticide. Start fungicide sprays from fruit set onwards. You can make your own fungicide by mixing 10 grams of copper sulfate and 10 grams of lime in 1 liter of water. Use the mixture within 24 hours. As soon as you see the first sign of disease, remove the infected leaves, fruits, and fallen debris and burn them. Do not put in your compost bin, otherwise the disease will spread in the bin. Keep a thick layer of mulch on soil and change the old mulch at the end of autumn to avoid building up of fungi. Papaya black spot treatment. If brown and black spots on your papaya trees have already appeared, do the following to treat them effectively. Spray copper fungicide or neem oil on the affected papayas. Mix 1 milliliter neem oil and a few drops of liquid soap in 1 liter water and spray on the undersides of leaves, trunk, stems, and fruit thoroughly. Next day, take it off the tree and ripen it inside. Wash the papaya thoroughly with soap and water. Then place it in warm water at about 47 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes to kill fungal spores without damaging the fruit. Temperatures greater than the 49 degrees Celsius can damage the fruits. You can add a pinch of cinnamon powder in hot water to increase effectiveness. After 20 minutes, take out the fruit and immerse it immediately in cold water at 8 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. The hot and cold treatment can control the spread of fungal disease. Then wipe the water, dry the papaya and wrap it in a newspaper. keep it on kitchen table. You can add a banana in the newspaper to speed up ripening process. The papaya will ripen in a few days. After 7 days, the papaya has ripened. Notice that the black spots have not grown in size and the papaya is good to eat. This is how to prevent and treat brown and black spots on papaya trees and fruits. By providing a sunny spot, well-drained soil, and practicing garden hygiene, you can avoid most black and brown spots on your papaya tree. It is pointed out that consistent care is the best defense against papaya black spot disease. If you have liked this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below with your papaya tree problems, and subscribe for more tips on growing fruits, vegetables, and flowers in your garden. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.